Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to raise and support the vehicle. To check the rear differential fluid, we're going to use a 1/2 inch extension and a 1/2 inch ratchet. We'll stick it in this fill plug right here. I'm going to need a breaker bar. For this one, we're going to need a breaker bar. It's really tight. And loosen this up. Now that it's broken free, I'll switch to the ratchet. Pull out the fill plug. Pull the fill plug out. And this is a little bit overfill, so we'll just let it drain out for a second. You're going to want to make sure the vehicle is level when you're checking this. You don't want the back of the vehicle up in the air or the front of the vehicle up in the air. And then this will be level, and then you want this right level with the hole. This one's right about there is good. And we'll reinstall the fill plug. You can spray this off with some brake parts cleaner. And also, the drain plug is right here. If you wanted to drain the fluid out, you would make sure you pull the fill plug out first, in case you cannot get it out. And then you can pull the drain plug out, get all the fluid out, and then you can put it in and put new fluid in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.